She's gonna do the ice water challenge. She's gonna walk across the ice.
I think it's not strong.
Let's see, I'll go first.
I know.
It's good.
It's too cold.
It's good. It for sure would break. It for sure would break.
It's cold.
But hey, I weigh more than you and it didn't break. No, you gonna. Damn, it's hard. You gonna do it?
Man, it's so cold.
Man.
You remind me of someone, but I'm not gonna mention who it is. The guy who introduces his welcome to my garage. Knowledge!
Will motivation. Will motivation.
You're watching Will Motivation. Here is where we create, educate, and motivate. Welcome to Will Motivation.
Alright, so today we're going to go look at a rental property. Matter of fact, it was Project Gallardo, the house that I bought for $67,000, and I rehabbed it for an extra $20,000, so I had $87,000 invested. The adjusted price after the rehab was about $130,000 to $140,000. A lot of equity in the house, but I rented it out. And my tenant had an family emergency, and she had to move out back to Virginia or someplace. And we're gonna go check it out. So today's video is about things that you need to look out for and how to handle the situation when a tenant moves out and breaks the lease. So there's a variety of ways of handling that situation. You can hold the tenant responsible, you know, for paying the lease or whatever. But typically, that trying to get the money from a tenant after they leave is quite difficult and challenging. So the way I handle the situation is, you move out before the lease is up, you forfeit your security deposit. Simple as that. But you still owe the full month's rent for that month that you move out. So the tenant moved out here in January. She paid the full month's rent. Close this. But she moved out early. She moved out January 22nd. So now we're gonna go take a look at the condition of the house. I know she had a couple of small dogs, so we're gonna look for any damage. And basically what you're gonna do is just do a walkthrough, just the same type of walkthrough you would do when you're purchasing a house or getting it ready to rent. You're gonna go through and look for anything that's wrong with the house, and I'll just show you guys what the house looks like. So we'll walk through it when we get there. But this is my lovely mother, Ruth Motivation.
Hello there.
And yeah, we're gonna go check out this house, see what condition it's in, take some pictures. If it's in good condition, I'm gonna turn around and list it for rent right away. And I'm probably gonna do that anyway, because I don't expect it to be in bad condition. It's a really great tenant. Unfortunately, she just had to leave kind of early. So anyway, let's go check it out. All right, so we just got to the house. I got a bad sign already. It looked like she has some kind of rabbits or something, or chickens. What kind of crates are those, man? Man, that's a bad sign. I'm not feeling that at all. What's this? That's a bad sign too. Cats. She didn't say she had any cats. She said she had dogs, and those look like chicken coops or something. Man. There's a little smell in here. A lot of dog hair. Uh-oh. Yeah. Is that an automatic lock on it? Alright, so yeah, I put a new kitchen in here. I gotta get some air freshener. All right, the bedrooms are not messed up. They're not messed up. Yeah, we put the floors in new. It's a little dusty in here. So I don't see any structural things so far. There's just an animal kind of smell in here. Which one? This one? You know what? I'm gonna leave these lights on. Yeah, I'll leave the lights on. Let me see. Yeah, so I gotta deodorize the place. Yeah, we hooked this place up. Now I gotta get some curtain rods for these doors. Let's see what's going on in the basement. All right, so basement's not tore up really. It's cool. No, the basement's fine actually. No, the basement's fine. Yeah, it's finished down here. So she tried to clean up. Yeah, it's alright in here. It just smells a little musty upstairs. But it doesn't smell down here at all.
No, that's wonderful.
Of course. So, alright, so it's not as bad as I thought. It's just, I don't know what happened. She probably had those chicken coops in the back or something. It's just hair on the floor. But, I'll show you guys the deck. So, it's a backyard. I gotta sweep, bring a push broom over here and sweep up. But, yeah, not too bad. Just I gotta turn the, dog scratched up the floor a little bit. Gotta polish that up. So there we go, folks. Not too bad. Not too bad, but I got a little cleanup. No, but it turns off at the top of the steps. You can leave it on. So I got a little bit of work to do. I'm gonna turn the blower on, but basically, since I don't see anything major, I'm gonna have my assistant basically come over here with a checklist of things to address. And like I said, check everything, check all the electric, check all the water, faucets and all that stuff, toilets, make sure everything is functional, then make sure it smells good in here. And then it's going up for rent, so I'm actually gonna take some pictures of it now. All right, so not too much to it. I was a little bit worried at first when I came in here, a little bit worried, but we're okay. All right, yo, we're about to do our first stunts in the Raptor. We're out here, we got the perfect scenario, it's snowing. We got empty parking lot with beautiful space. Come on, Cap, you going videotape? Come on, man. We got the perfect scenario, look at this. We're about to do donuts in the Raptor. Our first video. You ready?
Ready.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Will Motivation. This is Chooch. That's Cappy on the camera. We got my son Peek in the car. We're gonna do some donuts. We're gonna do some donuts in the Raptor. I'm hyped. Look at it, we got perfect pristine snow. We got the beautiful snow. Yes, it's gonna be lit. You ready? Are y'all ready?
Yes!
We about to do Y'all like that? Was it lit?
Yes!
Yeah! That's tight too? We're gonna find fame in the Ford Raptor for the channel. This is for you guys. Motivation Nation. That's for you guys. Was it lit?
Yeah!
Yeah.
Super lit!
Hey. Any other ideas for snacks? Any other ideas? All right, so we're here at the Motivation Mansion, and we are Pete. Say hi. All right, we're getting ready to enjoy the snow weather. We just did our first donut escapade in the Raptor. It was lit.
Yo, this is Will Motivation. Just wanted to say thanks for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And also feel free to share this video with your friends and be a part of the movement. I'll check you guys out in the next video. Holla.